There's so many.
Like, show the camera. Ooh. Hi everyone, this is Christy from This Is Me, Christy. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'd like to show you the nature study books that we use for my Year 1 student, as well as invite you into our particular lesson that's all about worms today. In this Year 1 year, nature study is usually reserved for Fridays. It's our art, science, and sometimes poetry, sometimes geography. Yeah, that's our day, depending on the week. On this particular Friday, though, we're getting more hands-on and learning all about worms and composting. Vermicomposting, to be exact. The main curriculum that we use as a guide for nature study is Exploring Nature with Children by Lynn Seddon of Raising Little Shoots. This is such an amazing guide to use if you feel uneasy about nature study because it really it lays out everything out for you week by week. You can use it with really small children and with much older children as well. I mean, I'm enjoying it just as much as my kids, and I even have my own nature notebook and I learn right along with them. Now, since we had the urge to learn about worms this week, we actually jumped to another week in the year instead of following the schedule. It's the very end of the year, so we're painting outside the lines a bit. Normally, we do stick to the schedule though. The great thing about this book is that it even references exactly where to go in this mammoth of the next nature book I'm going to tell you about. Anna Comstock's Handbook of Nature Study. So naturally, we referenced the 3 to 4 pages all about worms. I always love to reference the Julia Rothman books as well. We currently have these 3. They're filled with information that a young learner can appreciate without being inundated with information. They're also just so pretty and inspiring. Another thing I like to do is look up YouTube videos pertaining to our subject. This might also include an art lesson on how to draw or watercolor, and as well as a kid-friendly informational video.
Too tiny to see.
Then we jump into the art part of the lesson. Today we're drawing up our plan on vermicomposting using a 2 to 3 bin system. We talked about red wiggler earthworms and how they eat our food waste to create what is considered black gold soil for your garden, and what are some food waste items to avoid, as well as how to layer them into their new home. You excited?
Yeah.
Excited for getting your hands dirty? You're gonna mix it up with your bare hands?
I'll mix it up with gloves on.
Okay. Not every nature study lesson we do is hands-on. This one happens to be. I hope you enjoy this small glimpse into the hands-on portion of the day. So what do we have in there for right now, Kiara?
We have like these little cardboard bin things.
Uh-huh.
And then we have our compost that we...
the stuff in the kitchen that we're throwing away?
Like our apples and our egg shells.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have
The strips?
newspapers.
Now is this ready?
No.
What is it that we have to do first?
We have to get...
Speak up a little bit louder,
We
Mama.
have to get the red wigglers. We have to like drill holes in the bottom.
We have to drill holes first on the bottom of these bins. So we're just holding this until we're ready to do the next part, right?
Yeah, until my dad gets home.
Until Papa gets home, right? We need a little bit of his help. All right. All of the holes inside. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna layer these. All right, wet it a little bit. Okay, and now one by one, we're going to do like a lattice. We're going to do first in a row like this, and then a row like that. Okay? Alright, so turn. Help me. So it looks like that. So now this, which is all of the stuff that we made before. No, it does not.
Almost smells as bad as Daddy having diarrhea.
It smells worse, I think. Alright, get it.
Hey, what's this?
That's okay, just put that in there.
This is Mark's. Can I get gloves?
Too late for that, lady.
Yeah!
This feels so... No, not right now. Because we're going to dig a little hole. You mean you don't like dirty hands? Let me get you ready to have dirty hands, lady. Alright, we're done. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick this on this side.
Mama, you know whatever you say, if you fast forward
Here
it,
it goes.
yeah, no, it actually goes, it actually says whatever you say in baby talk.
Okay, let's see how we're gonna carry this over here.
Look, our red wigglers came.
Let's see, it says that we need to rehydrate them. So it says open the bag immediately upon arrival and pour half a cup of water on your worms to begin the rehydration process. It's Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. Let's see, Kiara.
The bag is super cute.
The bag is super cute.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, what's going on? You hurt your head? Leon, are you okay? I thought that was gonna be like a bag within a bag. Oops. Okay.
Oh my god.
I just wasn't ready for that. I don't know why.
Whoa.
Whoa!
How come they're called red? Like that is. Not red.
They are red.
Look at this. They're so pretty.
Okay, so we need to put some water on them.
Are you gonna do all of it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Half a
Well,
cup
they're
of
like rising up.
Look at those little guys move. Okay, so upon reading the instructions, which you probably should do at the beginning, it says not to spread them out, and we did. So I hope that that's okay. And it also says to cover them with wet newspaper, and we haven't put them into the bin yet, which we're gonna do. But while I'm getting things ready, I'm gonna go ahead and wet this guy up. See, and put him right on top of our worms. Right underneath are our red wigglers. I hope they stay alive. These little guys are crawling out. Look. Growing up the sides, and then they're crawling all around.
Can I touch it?
Why do you always want to touch them?
Because they're cool. They feel so cool.
Whoa, look at them wiggle around.
I guess that's why they call it red wigglers.
I need to retake on all this stuff. Okay, so
You can use my shovel.
this is very wet. Okay, we're gonna need to also gather some more leaves and stuff. Alright, hold on to it, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna first put in all of our scraps from the week. No, not month. This is just from this week. Lots of bananas, some zucchinis, summer squash.
We've got some potato skin.
Some potato skin, yeah. Old stale bread.
We've got some cucumbers.
Do we have any? Yeah, I think actually we're gonna need to layer in some more dry leaves. Open up a hole for them, and you're gonna help me put them in here. I'll give it to you. I'm gonna leave these guys. Woo, they're good. They're like attached. Yeah, let's show them. They're hanging on.
There's so many.
Okay, let's put this on the side because we're gonna put this right on top. We're not gonna pick them one by one, okay? We're just going to.
I know.
Do you want to put this in?
Yeah.
Help me. Wait, don't. Yeah, let's do this. So you guys can take a look. There are little worms.
They're so cute.
Oh, that guy is really active over there.
They're so big over here.
Yeah, they're getting
Look,
bigger.
this
They're
one
much
here.
bigger already.
Look at that. This one's so long. Wow. This one's not long. Whoa. That's disgusting but cool.
Let's see a closer shot of our little guys. Oh, they're all hiding away. There were so many for a second there.
Look,
Here, let's
these
see.
And there you have it. Our Vermicompost Nature Study Day is complete. We continue checking in on our worms, holding on to food waste from our kitchen as well as crumpled paper or cuttings from our homeschool room. I hope this encouraged you guys to get your hands dirty in your next nature study lesson. Until next time, friends.